if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole, welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. So today's video is going to be a grocery haul, and it's going to be the last grocery haul of the year. We went to Macro only, and we got a ton of stuff, and everything that you're going to see here, okay, you ready? Everything that you're going to see here cost 7.4 grand. 7.4 and some change. That's how much we spent on everything here. So I'm going to show you what we got. Actually more. We spent more because we bought fish for 1.2. So we spent 8.6. Oh, don't say it. Okay, let me show you what we got for that amount of money. Okay, so we're going to start here. We got a pool float. Some HTH, those are granules, and then we got 2 Omo machine washing powders. We also got 2 of these mighty big packets here, and then we got 2 of these 24 packs of baby soft tissues. I'm gonna start here as per usual. We got some Lipton peach iced tea, and we have 3 Cokes over here. Then that's the fish that I was talking about. So both of these boxes, there's 2 boxes here, they cost 1.2 together. So this one has salmon in it. You can't really see, but I guess you can see. This one has salmon, and then the one underneath has like king clip fillets, I think. There, you can kind of see that. I don't want to touch it because, oh yeah. Okay, so that's the fish that we got, and then we have 2 of these mixed veggie, these frozen mixed vegetable packs, 2 of those. Then we got this meat. We don't typically buy this meat, but we got it this time, and I don't know how I feel about it. So we got some chicken thighs, 2 packets of these chicken thighs. The shelves were very bare. It is the 22nd, I think, or the 23rd of December. So I think it's the 22nd. So everything was picked over, but we got what we could. We got 30 jumbo eggs. Then we got some potato chips. These 2 packets, and these are the V-shaped ones. Back there we got mango oros, and then we have the Bonacqua pump water. This is the berry flavor, just a 6-pack of those. And then we got some more fish. So we got this fish Friday. This has 4 pieces in it. Then we got these light and crispy ones. So we got this garlic and parsley one, and then over here we have the haddock one down there. We got some curry leaves over here. Some rainbow peppers. We got these dine in like dinner meals. So this one's the beef lasagna, and then we got the smoky barbecue chicken pasta. Then over here we have these bag and bake things from Nando's. This one's the garlic one, medium, and then we have this smoky brie flavored one. And then back here we have a 6-pack of milk, and then we got some soy sauce and some teriyaki. And then back there we have some Cocoa Pops. Then we got 2 of these cocoa powder tins. We have some medium curry powder over here. And then we have barbecue spice and chicken spice. In the front here we have some baking margarine and 2 bricks of salted butter. And then we got these strawberry sherbet candies again. We've had those before. In the front here we have all the soups. So we have 2 minestrone, 2 brown onion, 3 thick white onion, and then 2 cream of chicken soups. Over here we have 2 spices. So we have the butter chicken curry spice, and then we have the Chinese spice over there. We got canned pineapple. We got pineapple pieces and pineapple rings, and then behind that we have 2 bags of 2 kg brown sugar. That's what that looks like. So we have 2 of those. And then we got 2 cans of the beans in tomato sauce. We also got some cumin and some mixed herbs. And then we got some candy cane. Hopefully I'll use those when I bake. Back there we got a big box of cornflakes. We got some extra virgin olive oil. Salad dressing from Spur. We also got the barbecue sauce from Spur. We got oxtail cubes. These are stock cubes. And then we got 2 packets of ground ginger. We got some mango acha over here. We got 2 of these ultramel containers. And then back there we have juices. So we have one tropical, and then behind it we have a mango and orange one. In the front here we have this big leg of lamb, and this cost, can you see that? 537 rand and 54 cents. We got 2 of these Doritos, the green ones, and then behind that we have cheese snacks. Behind the cheese snacks we have the Baker's Choice Assorted Cookies, which we get usually. We have some roasted cashew nuts there. Those are salted. We have these lozenges smoothies. These are the smoothie sweets, just with menthol and eucalyptus in them. Those are really good. We have some cubed butternut over here, and then we have some maize meal behind that. Moving on to like toiletries and stuff, but first we got some cling wrap underneath. Now we start with the toiletries. So we got Vaseline, this is the baby one. We got toothpaste, ton of toothpaste. So we got these, let me show you. We got this Senses one, so we got 2 of them from this range. We got the eucalyptus lime and mint. Then we got the watermelon, cucumber and mint. So we're going to try those. And then we also got Colgate. We got a gel one and a total advanced whitening one. This is like the giant one. And then back here we have a bubble bath. So this is Saturday Skin Peach Blossom bubble bath. And we got 2 of these panty liner boxes. I think those are on promotion. There's not a lot of promotions right now for some reason. So yeah, this was a lot. We got these pads, and then we also got these always ones. So these are the platinum ones. I really enjoy these. And then we got the ultra thin ones, 3-in-1. I got those. And then over here we have some red lemon just in case. We got 3 of these Dove roll-ons. I really am enjoying this one. I started using it recently. I used to always get the blue one, which is the original one, but this invisible dry one is really like nice, I guess. We have 3 of these Protex herbal liquid hand soaps, and then we got 6 bars of soap. These are the Luxe ones. So we have a red, a pink, 2 of these white rose and almond ones, and 2 of these jasmine and silk essence oil. And then back here we have some Sunlight dishwashing liquid, 2 Vaseline lotions. So we have a dry skin repair and an advanced repair one. And then in the front here we have 5 of these Stay Soft refill packets. And then we got this Oxy Ultra Wash fabric stain remover. Then behind that we have the drain unblocker. Over there we have 3 boxes of these facial tissues, and then underneath that we have the garbage bags over there. And then we got 4 of these Domestos like toilet cleaners, so that was a promotion for 400. And then we got this Mr. Men wood polish. We got some Finish rinse aid for the dishwasher. And then we got some Duck liquid for the toilet as a cleaner. And then we got the thick bleaches. So 4 of them, 2 of these white ones and 2 of the blue ones. And that is everything. That is everything that we got. That cost 8,000 $8,600 for everything that you see here. Okay guys, so that is everything that I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram and on Facebook. If you're on Facebook a lot, when I post a video on YouTube, it typically goes to my Facebook page as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.